Meet the super diva, Jennifer Lopez. The age-defying superstar has always been in top shape throughout decades of her career, which is still going very strong.
We all wake up with no makeup on. It's no different for me than it is for everybody else. You have to put in the work. You have to take care of yourself. There's no shortcuts.
Jennifer likes to sweat first thing in the morning in her busy schedule. She believes that exercise is generally a motivating factor in her life. In her own words, it's no secret that fitness is a very important part of my life.
You got to eat right. I usually start off with a shake in the morning.
Jenny from the block reveals she usually starts her day with a shake.
Greek yogurt. You can even do a little bit of honey if you want, some lemon.
Her go-to flavors, a healthy blend of berries, Greek yogurt, cinnamon, honey, ice cubes, a squirt of fresh lemon and a scoop of protein powder. Her trainer Tracy Anderson says, Jennifer needs really good fuel for all the things that she's doing. It's all organic, and it's all very well thought out, with the balance of very high-quality proteins and a lot of nutrient-dense foods. J-Lo.
For lunch, I start getting really hungry. I'll have like a little bit of fruit or a bar or something like that. Chicken and salad or vegetables or quinoa.
She slams her hunger with a high-protein, low-carb combo like fish with a broccoli, zucchini, and pepper salad in a vinaigrette. According to
At night, sometimes I just eat whatever I want, to be honest. I think a lot of it has to do with portion control.
Jennifer's go-to evening meal is also high-protein and low-carb combo. She opts for lean protein paired with quinoa. It feels like rice and beans, which I grew up with. In fact, it is scientifically true that quinoa is slightly higher in nutrients like calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and zinc, compared to rice. Quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. Quinoa also has more fiber than brown rice. High in fiber will help better control over blood sugar and promote beneficial bacteria in the gut. This is one photo of a typical dinner for her family. While you may be surprised to find both French fries and bread on J-Lo's dinner table on a given night, she says these are mostly for the kids. While she does pick at them, they're not a big part of her plate most days. That means the star is mainly focusing on protein and veggies, along with a little healthy fat from the salad toppings, at dinner time. Consuming a mix of protein and carbohydrates is the best way to help your muscles recover after a workout. Jennifer stays away from junk food like chips in between meals, but she always plans for unexpected cravings. I always carry fruit and veggies with me to give me something to snack on. J-Lo's love for green vegetables. We eat a lot of green vegetables, asparagus, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and kale. I love to cook a lot of stuff. I love cooking Puerto Rican food because that's what I grew up on. This includes a lot of pork and chicken, and if she's out at a restaurant, Jennifer will order fish and veggies. Coconut water. Jennifer drinks a lot of water.
Water. Lots of water. Believe it or not, it does help keep your weight down. It obviously keeps you hydrated.
Her choice of drink is, of course, water. Drinking plenty of water, especially before a workout, can help you push harder and get more out of your exercise routine. If water is too boring for you, Jennifer also enjoys Body Armor Light, which is a drink that has 0 sugar added with low calorie. The drink is made with a coconut water base. Coconut water has a lot of health benefits due to its high levels of electrolytes, which include potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Potassium is an essential mineral that the human body needs for muscle function. Sufficient calcium intake is necessary, as insufficient amounts can lead to issues such as low bone density, bone loss, and weaker bones that can break more easily. Magnesium has many functions in the body, including making protein, regulating blood sugar and blood pressure levels, and managing muscle and nerve function.